Hello friends, hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Hemanta the Social Engineer. Today is World Day Against Child Labor, so that I have prepared a quiz on this, and to attend the quiz you have to go to my YouTube channel description box. On the link you have to click on that link of quiz and attend the quiz and get instantly any certificate in your mailbox. So to attend the quiz, those who not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, subscribe so that you can get up to date information regarding different quizzes, current affairs, general knowledge, and video series on social science, social studies, as well as CTVD, OTT, OSSTT. So without making delay, let's start. First one is your email ID. Second one is name of the student and school, college. Anybody can attend the quiz. Then class and roll number, that is you have to mention class as well as roll number. Let's discuss the questions with answers. First one, the World Day Against Child Labor, which is held every year on, that is today, which means June 12th. Come to the question number 2, that is the World Day Against Child Labor is an international labor organization sections holiday first launched in dash in aiming to raise awareness and activism to prevent child labor, that is in 2002 it was approved and sanctioned by International Labour Organization. Third one, that is ratifications of the ILO Convention number dash on the minimum age of the employment on the worst forms of child labor. Ratifications, which means approval of ILO Convention number, that is option number A 138. Ratification convention, that is fixed the minimum age for employment on the worst forms of child labor. Question number 4, the Child and the Adolescent Labor Provisions and Regulations Act were set in 1986 to prohibit the employment of children below 14 years of age, that is option number D. Question number 5, World Day Against Child Labor 2021 theme this year is option number A, that is Act Now and Child Labor. And next question, that is question number 6, the worst forms of child labor include work in hazardous environments, slavery or other forms of forced labor, illicit activities such as drug trafficking and prostitution, as well as involvements in armed conflict. These are all are true, which means true is the right option, that means option number A is the answer. Next question, the International Labour Organization ILO, a DAX agency, it is agency of United Nations. So option number is the right answer. Next question number 8, child labor reinforces intergenerational poverty, threatens national economies and undercuts rights guaranteed by the conventions on the rights of the child said by International Labour Organizations, which means option number A, ILO. Next question 9, what is the maximum age for being eligible as a child under the Child Labor Provisions and Regulations Act 1986, that is 14 years. Question number 10, what is the full form of ILO? It is International Labour Organization, option number A. According to the data from census 2011, the number of child laborers in India is 10.1 million, of which 5.6 million are boys and 4.5 million are girls. This is true data as per census 2011, which means option number A is the right answer. Next question is the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India in the Fundamental Rights and the Directive in Civil Liberties Policy DPSP prohibits child labor below the age of 14 years in any factory or mines or castle or engage in any other hazardous employment as per article number 14 of Indian Constitution, that is option number A. Rights of the children to free and compulsory education, like 2019, the law mandates free and compulsory education to all children aged in between 6 to 14 years, which means option number is the right answer. Next questions, Juvenile Justice Care and Protections of Children Act dash made child labor a crime punishable with a prison term for anyone to keep a child in bondage for the purpose of employment, which means the option number first, that is in 2015, the Juvenile Justice Care and Protections of Children Act was passed in the Parliament, that is in 2015, which means option number is the right answer. Question number 15, Bachpan Bachao Andolan is an India-based movement campaigning for the rights of the children. It was started in 1980 by Nobel laureate Mr. Kailash Satyarthi, and its focus has centered on ending bonded labor, child labor, and human trafficking, as well as demanding the right to education for all children. So you should read it. It is very very important information for you. And this is the image of Kailash Satyarthi, who is also known as the saviors of children. And he left his job as an engineer to protect the rights of the children, and founded a Bachpan Bachao Andolan, an NGO, in the year 1980, and also started Global March Against Child Labour that presented the draft of the International Labour Organization's Convention in 1882, addressing worst forms of child labour. In the board of the Global Campaigns for Education, the Campaign for Education for All, and in 1994 started Goodwave, a network of the NGO that certify campaigns with a large logo whose product is made without child labor. Here is the share the Nobel Prize of 2014 with Malala Yousafzai, Pakistan, who also a educationist and educational activist. So this is in detail about the quiz of World Against Child Labor. So you should attend the quiz and expand your knowledge on child labor and spread the awareness about child labor. Say stop child labor and child labor. Thank you. Have a nice day.